Welcome to paradise. Belize, a small country in Central America, is big on natural beauty. From lush rainforests to stunning coral reefs, Belize has it all. Today we journey through some of Belize's most breathtaking scenic locations. Get ready for adventure. Whether you dream of diving into the deep blue or exploring ancient ruins, Belize has something for everyone. So, pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's explore the best scenic spots Belize offers. Join us as we unveil the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Belize a true paradise. Let's begin. Dive into the Great Blue Hole, one of the most mesmerizing natural wonders on our planet. The Great Blue Hole is a giant underwater sinkhole off the coast of Belize, a marvel that has intrigued explorers and scientists alike for decades. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique geological formations and stunning natural beauty. The hole is over 300 meters across and 125 meters deep, making it one of the largest and deepest marine sinkholes in the world. Divers come from all over the world to explore its depths, drawn by the promise of adventure and the chance to witness its underwater wonders firsthand. Imagine descending into the deep blue, surrounded by the serene silence of the ocean, as you venture into the unknown. The water is crystal clear, offering unparalleled visibility that allows you to fully appreciate the beauty and mystery of this underwater world. You see amazing stalactites formed during the last ice age, a glimpse into a time long past, preserved in the depths of the ocean. Divers can encounter various marine life, including reef sharks and giant groupers, adding an element of excitement and unpredictability to the dive. The Great Blue Hole is not just a diving destination, it is a journey into geological history, a chance to explore the forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. It's a testament to the powerful forces that shaped our planet, a natural laboratory where we can study the Earth's past and gain insights into its future. Don't just dream about it, add the Great Blue Hole to your bucket list. Experience the thrill, the beauty, and the history of this incredible natural wonder for yourself. The Belize Barrier Reef, an underwater wonderland, a place where the ocean's magic comes to life. The Belize Barrier Reef is the second largest barrier reef system in the world, stretching over 300 kilometers along the coast of Belize. It stretches along Belize's coastline, creating a natural barrier that protects the shore from the powerful waves of the Caribbean Sea. It is home to a diverse ecosystem of coral reefs, fish, and other marine life. Over 500 species of fish and 100 different kinds of coral call this reef their home. Imagine swimming in turquoise water so clear you can see the vibrant marine life below. You see colorful coral reefs all around you, each one more stunning than the last, teeming with life and color. Fish in all colors of the rainbow dart in and out of the coral, creating a mesmerizing underwater ballet. You might even see a sea turtle or a stingray gliding gracefully through the water, adding to the wonder of this underwater paradise. The Belize Barrier Reef is a diver and snorkeler's paradise, offering endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. It is important to protect this fragile ecosystem, as it is vital to the health of our oceans and the planet. We can all do our part by practicing responsible tourism. Simple actions like not touching the coral and being mindful of our impact can make a big difference. Snorkeling or diving in the Belize Barrier Reef is an unforgettable experience, one that connects us to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. It's a chance to witness the beauty of the underwater world, to see firsthand the incredible diversity and vibrant life that exists beneath the waves. As the sun sets over the Belize Barrier Reef, the magic of this underwater wonderland continues to captivate and inspire all who visit. Xunantunich, journey to the Mayan past. Xunantunich is an ancient Mayan city located in western Belize. The name Xunantunich means stone woman in the Mayan language. It refers to a ghost legend associated with the site. Visitors can climb to the top of El Castillo, the main temple, for panoramic views of the surrounding rainforest. Imagine walking through the ruins of a lost city. The jungle surrounds you, You can feel the history of the Mayan civilization. Xunantunich is a powerful reminder of the ingenuity and sophistication of the Mayan civilization. Exploring these ruins is like stepping back in time. The view from the top is breathtaking. It's a must-visit for history buffs and adventure seekers alike. Hopkins Village is a small coastal village in southern Belize. It's known for its vibrant Garifuna culture. The Garifuna people are descendants of African and indigenous groups. They have a rich history and unique traditions. Imagine the sound of drums and the rhythm of dancing feet. The smell of delicious Garifuna food fills the air. This is Hopkins Village during a cultural celebration. Visitors to Hopkins can experience Garifuna drumming and dancing. They can also try traditional Garifuna dishes. These include hudut, which is a fish stew, and cassava bread. Hopkins Village offers a chance to immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of the Garifuna people. It's a true cultural gem. Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve is a mountainous region in western Belize. It's known for its granite mountains, pine forests, and waterfalls. Visitors can go hiking, swimming, and camping in the reserve. Imagine hiking through a pine forest. The air is fresh and cool. You come across a hidden waterfall. The water cascades down the rocks into a crystal-clear pool. The Mountain Pine Ridge Forest Reserve offers a refreshing escape from the tropical heat. It's a paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Don't miss the chance to take a dip in the cool, refreshing waters of the waterfalls. It's an experience that will leave you feeling rejuvenated. Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area in southern Belize. It's known for its population of jaguars. The sanctuary is also home to a variety of other animals. These include pumas, ocelots, monkeys, and birds. Imagine trekking through the dense rainforest. You spot jaguar tracks in the mud. The thrill of knowing you're in jaguar territory is exhilarating. Coxcomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary offers a unique opportunity to experience the rainforest's wild beauty. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. Remember to respect the environment and observe animals from a safe distance. Help protect these incredible creatures and their habitat. The Caves Branch River flows through the Nohoch-Chen Caves Branch Archaeological Reserve. This area is known for its cave systems. Visitors can go cave tubing or cave kayaking on the river. Imagine floating down a river on an inner tube. You enter a cave filled with stalactites and stalagmites. The darkness is mysterious, and the formations are awe-inspiring. Cave tubing in Belize is a fun and adventurous way to experience the country's natural beauty. It's an activity suitable for all ages. Just remember to bring a headlamp and wear water shoes. Prepare to be amazed by the underground world. Xunantunich Muknal, ATM Cave, is a sacred Mayan site located in western Belize. This cave, often referred to as the Cave of the Stone Sepulchre, holds immense historical and cultural significance for the Mayan people. The cave contains artifacts and human remains from the Mayan civilization. These relics offer a glimpse into the rituals and daily life of the ancient Mayans, who used the cave for ceremonial purposes. Visitors can take a guided tour of the cave to learn about its history and significance. Knowledgeable guides provide insights into the archaeological findings and the spiritual importance of the site. Imagine swimming through an underground river. The journey through the cave involves wading through water and navigating narrow passages, adding to the sense of adventure. You emerge into a chamber filled with ancient Mayan pottery. These artifacts have been preserved for centuries, offering a tangible connection to the past. You see human skeletons that have been undisturbed for centuries. These remains are believed to be sacrificial victims, adding a somber and reflective tone to the experience. Visiting the ATM cave is a deeply moving experience. The atmosphere inside the cave is both eerie and awe-inspiring, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. It allows you to connect with the ancient Mayan civilization. The artifacts and remains tell a story of a people who had a profound connection to the spiritual world. Please note that access to the cave is restricted to protect its delicate ecosystem. The preservation of this site is crucial for future generations to appreciate and learn from. It's essential to book a tour with a licensed guide to visit this sacred site respectfully and responsibly. These guides ensure that the cave is preserved while providing an educational and enriching experience for visitors. Placencia Peninsula is a narrow peninsula located in southern Belize. It is known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and laid-back atmosphere. Visitors can enjoy swimming, sunbathing, snorkeling, diving, and fishing. Imagine relaxing on a white sand beach. The warm Caribbean sun is on your skin. You sip a cool drink and listen to the gentle waves. This is life on Placencia Peninsula. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Placencia Peninsula has something to offer everyone. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Indulge in fresh seafood, explore local shops, or simply soak up the sun. Placencia Peninsula is a true slice of paradise. Your adventure awaits. We've explored some of Belize's most scenic spots. From the depths of the Great Blue Hole to the pristine beaches of Placencia Peninsula, Belize is a country that captivates the senses. Which of these incredible destinations would you like to visit? Your feedback is important to us. Tell us in the comments below which part of the world you would like us to cover next. We love hearing from our viewers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Belize.